Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to fix access is denied on Zarchiver. Okay, see this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. Follow my all-in-screen instruction carefully. First open your Play Store and check update Zarchiver. My Zarchiver apps already updated. Then go back. Go to your phone settings, scroll down little bit and find apps. Click on apps. Here, three-dot menu. Click on three-dot menu. Click on Special Access and click on All File Access and search Zarchiver and Zarchiver is enable this. Click on Enable. Click on Zarchiver. Here, hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave, like, comment and subscribe. Stay with us.